India is the most amazing country of the world. There are lots of mind-blowing facts about India, which are not yet popular and known to all people. India is a country that we are proud of, facts and culture. Here is a collection of some craziest, incredible facts from around the India. Let's have a look at the top interesting things you need to know about India. The first rocket was so light and small that it was transported on a bicycle to Tumbha launching station in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Believed to be the largest religious gathering on earth, Kumbh Mela is held every 12 years in the northern Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. It is thought that 30 million Hindu pilgrims gathered to celebrate the festival in 2013. Takshila is said to be the first university in the world. It started around 700 BC. In fact, there is no national language in India, rather we have many regional languages. The Union of India has Hindi and English as official languages. And every state has the official language. Widely thought to be the greatest funeral attendance in history. 15 million people took the streets of Chennai in memory of the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, a southern Indian state. India is the only country in the world which has not attacked any country in its history of the last 10,000 years. You people will hardly know that India is a country where there is written MRP on anything. You will hardly know that Indian Railways is the largest organization of the world, according to the number of employees, in which more than 16 lakh employees work, which is more than the population of many countries. Only 1 out of 100 weddings in India are divorced, which is the lowest in the world. You would be surprised to know that, until 1896, only India was the only source of diamonds, and even today, 11 of the 12 diamonds sold in the world are beaten and polished in India. The world's largest family that lives in Mizoram is in India. This family consists of 34 wives, 94 children, 14 daughter children, 33 children and 180 people. The world's largest school is in Lucknow, India. The name of this school name is City Montessori School. Every year, 40 to 50,000 children take admission in this school. Though India is a country of multiple regional and local languages, but in terms of English-speaking countries in the world, it ranks number 2. India is the second largest English-speaking country in the world. 10% Indians are in English, about 125 million people. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, India ranks third, behind the USA and the UK in the number of records claimed every year. Only 3% of Indians pay income tax, a population of 1.2 billion. One explanation for this is that agriculture is exempt and 2/10 of Indians live in rural areas. So thanks for watching this video, and please like this video, and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.